If you want to make money online in Nigeria selling ordinary PDFs, don't skip any part of this video and make sure you subscribe to this channel. I'm going to teach you how to create affiliate marketing guide ebook using Claude under 2 minutes. Many people want to start affiliate marketing in Nigeria and make money. Why most affiliate marketing courses are very expensive. The PDF you are going to sell to them is going to be a cheaper option for them to learn how to start affiliate marketing. Now let's get started. This is not something hard. So first we need to know the best title and subtitle to use. So we simply ask Claude, I want to create affiliate marketing ebook for Nigerian beginners, teaching them how to start affiliate marketing in Nigeria. So now I need to get the best title and subtitle. So I will ask, what's the best title and titles to use? So here now I need to first get the best title and subtitles to use. So you get the Nigeria Affiliate Blueprint, a step-by-step guide to earning commission income online and without selling your own product. The beginner's guide to affiliate marketing in Nigeria. So let's use this number 3. So simple. I just press it back to Claude. Now we tell Claude, using the above title and subtitle, create the affiliate marketing ebook. Now I just give it, make the ebook look professional and well structured. Let it be up to 40 pages and let it cover everything that we make the beginner to succeed. Add examples where necessary. Use human tone as if I'm the one explaining to them. Generate it as a PDF. That's all. Now I will send this to Claude. The PDF has been generated just now. We have created complete PDF. Now let's open it and see the content and see how it looks. Now here is a book, Earn Without Selling Your Own Product, the beginner's guide to affiliate marketing in Nigeria. So here is a table of contents. This is the content. That here. What exactly is affiliate marketing? Chapter 2. Why affiliate marketers work in Why affiliate marketing works in Nigeria. Getting started, the first step. So that generated the complete ebook for you. Building trust before sales, writing killer sales copy. So Claude has written a very good ebook that will help beginners to succeed because it covers most important things the beginners needs to know. So you can sell this ebook. You can sell it to 1,000, 2,000, 1,500. If you run ads, maybe ads of 1,007. If you get 40 something, 30 something people, and only 4 people buy at 2,000, that's 8,000 you're making a day. You know the profit. If you sell it at 1,000, 1,500, what matters most is overall profit, or not how many people bought or the price you are selling it. What matters most is the overall profit. Any price that will give you the best profits, you have to sell it that price. If it's 1,000, that will bring the best profit. If it's 2,000, you sell it. So this is very simple. So now let's also create book mockup for this. Let's create the book mockup. So to create the book mockup, we simply go back to Claude. So you can download this here. Click the download button to download it and start sharing too. So I will now tell Claude, write prompt for the book mockup. I want it squared shape. So here now, it's just for us to copy this and paste it to ChatGPT. So I paste this on ChatGPT and send it to ChatGPT. Ebook mockup has been generated. Let's see it. Now, this is Earn Without Selling Your Own Product, the Beginner's Guide to Affiliate Marketing in Nigeria by Claude. So now, I don't like this. I will remove my name. Remove the pages. Now I will add price because this is now for promotion. The price is, let me say, 2,000. Original price and test. The first one it generated is not really that good for me. Earn Without Selling Your Own Product, now only 2,000. Now the 4,005 is cancelled. So now if you want it to change the color or any other thing, you can prompt it. You can now start your promotion. You have gotten your PDF is ready, your flyer is ready. If you want to learn how to promote this and make money daily, check the comment section.